So welcome everyone. This session is for you if you are studying. A lot of you are studying at university. I think we might actually have a couple of students who are in Year 12. So that's great that you are starting to prepare already for your career after school. You do need a strong resume and a well-written cover letter. I would recommend having, a nice clean template. I'm going to talk about a bit more about templates in a minute, but nice clean templates that have some bold headings and some bullet points, and so that certain keywords will actually jump off the page and catch their attention. The perfect resume. So first of all, there is no such thing as a perfect resume. Resumes will vary from industry to industry, from country to country, and from, depending on your levels. There are a lot of organizations and a lot of talent acquisition managers that just candidates that can communicate, that they've got good or customer service skills. I would really encourage you to use your own network, your parents' network, your family, friends, your alumni network, or even look for opportunities where you approach companies directly using LinkedIn. I would encourage you to get involved with some clubs at university or get on some committees, working as part of a team. And also opportunities to mentor the young students or younger people is an important skill. So that would be, my number one thing. I think everyone needs to have a LinkedIn. Make sure it's a professional profile, professional photo. Get involved in clubs and activities where you can. Join industry groups and constantly look at ways you can expand your network. Look at, your alumni functions, joining industry groups as a student. I really hope that it's given you some ideas about things that you could be doing to prepare for these recruitment processes. I think you've probably all got some great backgrounds. You're probably great students. So it's just adding a few extra things to your resume if you have the time and the energy that just might sort of help stand out from some other candidates.